Thinking about buying a home this year? Do you get confused with all the housing market lingo? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Hey there, this is Christina Sparks, realtor with Coldwell Banker, owner of House of Sparks. All right, credit score. We've all heard about that, right? Credit scores play an important role in the mortgage approval process. It's basically a report card based on credit inquiries, debt, on-time payments, and how long you've even had credit. Here's a breakdown of how these different factors weigh on your overall score. As you can see, payment history has the largest weight at 35%. So make those payments and make them on time. Your credit score will be a number ranging from 300 to 850. The higher the better. This number helps lenders determine the likelihood that you will actually repay your loan. It's basically your trust score, financial trust score. Things you can do to hurt your credit are one missed payment or a late payment, applying for new credit, or co-signing for someone else on a loan of any size. Keep an eye on your score. You can always get a free report every single year from all three bureaus. Just visit annualcreditreport.com and you'll be able to look at your information and see what you need to work on. If you've got some things to work on with your credit, or just simply want advice on how to increase your score, talk to a lender. Get professional tips to get your credit in tip-top shape before making the largest purchase of your life. As always, reach out with any questions. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.